Okay, so ultimately pump damage. So this wall is blocked. So do you have pump damage?
No, we'll give overload on the pump, then the BFT will.
No, that is safeguard. That is safeguard. That is a safeguard.
Yes, safeguard. Yeah.
So I'm not asking for safeguard now. I'm saying that if my
Consequence.
consequence, if the check bar is blocked, do I get my pump damage?
Yes.
Potential pump damage.
Pump damage and not.
Yeah, that is a safeguard. That is safeguard. Pump overload trip.
Depends if
Pump.
that safeguard is not working.
Yes.
Pump overload trip. Okay. And you have any PAH? Yeah, PI is there.
Yeah,
we have local PI.
So we have PIT and PI.
Yeah, PI is there. I know, don't problem.
Mainly PIT because the PI is manual. Yeah.
Where is the PI? Where is PIT?
The right, last. Again, right?
Next,
Yes. No, right?
This one.
Yes.
I'm not able to see.
Yeah.
This is PI. This is.
Yeah.
Okay. PIT 301. Yeah. Local PI and PIT number is a 301. PDT PIT 301 in place. In control room, right? It will come in the control room.
No, the chambers. The valve chamber after the after the valve.
That's okay. I don't have any problem. A get valve. Many manual valve. After that, any manual valve. Any pump discharge.
But if this one is no,
No, soft slab.
Closed.
right. But
So, same consequence.
that we will get.